Hello everyone, amazing 2-in-1 niacinamide, vitamin B3 and arbutin ingredients which insafely help fight extreme hyperpigmentation and work for newborn by interfering with the production of melanin. Concentrate face serum for great result. Formulated with 10% niacinamide and 2% arbutin. This niacinamide face serum designed to reduce the appearance of dark spot, acne scars, skin discolor, and acne marks for even skin tone and visibly brighter complexion. Multitasking formula not only effect of brightening, but it also keep the sebum under control. This formula helps balance excel oil production and minimize the look of large pores. Lightweight, fast absorbing texture creates the layers nicely under moisturizer, others skincare products and makeup without peeling. Niacinamide face serum for all skin types. For even sensitive skin can be used in the morning and night. Plus point: vegan, paraben free, fragrance free, unscented essential oil free, cruelty free.